Hello viewers! Today I'm going to talk about what made Florida Keys so special to me. And in this, I'll be talking about Theater of the Sea, Grimal Gove, Hemingway Museum, and also Mr. Bean's Cafe. In the Theater of the Sea, we have experienced front-and-front action with the sea lion, and also you could do different interactions with different sea creatures in there. With this, I fell in love with also the shows. When you purchase that, you also get an admissions free to see all the shows. And in this, we saw a dolphin show, and you could watch them fly and soar in the air and also pilot their own plane. And in this, also a parrot show, which you could see a parrot count to 7 and also walk around the barrel and walk and do turns. And also, you guys see turtles, alligators, parrotfish, nurse sharks, and stingray. It was complete fun. Second was Grimal Gove, and in here we first saw our Florida Key deer. Very sweet, he even licked our hands. And in this, you also venture into Grimal Gove, which you eat all the exotic fruits. And in this, you also taste the breadfruit, which was presented in Gordon Ramsay's show. In this also, you get to experience their different liqueur that's made from the breadfruit. And it was very strong, but very delicious. Nextly was the Hemingway's Museum. In this, we saw tons of Hemingway's exotic cats, which is the six-toed cats. And here we saw a variety of different colors and sizes, and I feel like it was definitely a good experience. And lastly, Mr. Bean's Cafe. The smoothies, the coffee, the baked goods were all delicious, but the special part was visiting Mr. Bean and Muffin. And in this, it's free to see the cats. There's tons of cat cafes, but here you get to see them free, and the baked goods, coffee, everything was so delicious. So let's watch the video.
Saying that word, he is listening to us the whole time. So Jennifer, you want to go first?
Sure.
Perfect. Come on up.
Okay.
Hey, give him a big one. Hello. There you go. Yay! All right, and you can take a seat.
Okay. That was just...
Come on up.
Ready?
Yeah. Okay. So very.
Okay.
All right. So whoever wants to go first, you can step up
first,
at the wall.
Dustin.
Alright, Jennifer, you want to do that one?
Yeah.
Come on.
Oh, okay.
Very nice.
Say cheese.
Okay. You did a pretty good job.
She's gonna do patty cakes with us?
Yeah.
Oh.
Get ready, Fred. She's ready. Fast. Good.
Ready with? 7. Good. Good. Sit back, watch, and listen as they take flight at a dangerously low altitude, just below sea level. That is a safe landing for café. Boy. And for Captain Sherman. Great job, boys.
I hope you guys enjoyed our adventure. Hope to see you next time. Bye.